Miniature car unboxing videos are absolutely exploding all over social media right now. Look at this Instagram page. They just started and already pulled in over 7,500 followers purely posting this exact style of content, with top videos clearing 6.5 million, 4.7 million, 2.1 million views. Let's break down the exact free production framework. No time wasted. First, head straight to the description below and grab the master template prompt. Copy the entire block, head straight over to ChatGPT and paste it. Hit enter. It will generate 10 car brands name. Pick the model that feels the most striking on camera, type that car number in chat, and it will generate motion prompt in seconds. Copy it. Now, head to Google Flow and paste the full prompt directly into the field. Set settings to video mode. Choose OmniFlash as your video engine model and set the video duration slider to exactly 10 seconds. Once everything is sitting exactly where it needs to be, hit generate. Within just a few seconds, Google Flow delivers your complete miniature unboxing loop right in front of you. If you don't want to look, copy paste page or channel, you can type different type of vehicles names in same chat. It will give you 10 name of vehicles and then motion prompt. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on the freshest viral AI creation setups the second they drop. See you in the next workflow.